Hi, good morning, Charlie. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing, cat? Hey? Charlie. What are you doing, bud? That tastes nice. Cleaning yourself up. What are you doing, mate? Oh. Licking your tail, are you? What the fuck are you doing, cat? No. You're gonna get comfy. No. You're gonna get comfy. Anyway, this is Charlie, the next door neighbour's cat. Oh, she always comes in at around about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, has something to eat, gets on the bed, and chills out with me. Really lovely cat, dead friendly, dead down to earth. Sometimes she comes and cuddles up next to me head. She's a lovely cat. Me and Charlie, we've got a great bond, don't we, Charlie, bud? Yeah, so that's Charlie. You love Charlie to bits. If anything ever happened to our Charlie, oh, we'd be so devastated. Charlie is the one. Aren't you, Charlie? Hey, Charlie. Hey, look, look, look.